Hello friends, in this video let's talk about how to check the SQL Server name and how to connect SQL Server 2025 for the first time and what is the version which is running on your computer. In the previous videos we talked about how to do the installation of SQL Server 2025 on Windows 11 and how to download as well and provided the Microsoft links in the description sections. And in the previous video, we talked about how to do the installation of SQL Server Management Studio 21, which is the latest version which is running in the websites. So let me quickly go to the SQL Server 2025 and check what is the server name and how to connect and what is the version of SQL Server 2025 which is running in my laptop. There are multiple versions which are available in the market. So it's a standard version and enterprise versions. So you can easily check what version of SQL Server which was installed on your devices. So let me quickly go to the SQL Server Management Studio and check that. So first of all, if you're not aware of the server name, you can simply click on this drop down and there is a browse for more. If you click on browse for more, there is a database engine and let's expand this. And if the database is installed on your PC, you will identify that instances. I have two instances of SQL Server which was installed on my laptop. One is SQL Server 2025, which is installed on the default instance, and the other instance is SQL Server 2022, that installed on the named instance. Name is SQL 2022. So, but I want to connect SQL Server 2025. Let's select the default instance, Venkat-PC. Click on connect. Obviously, yes. So you need to trust this. Click on yes. Okay, so once you select that, so you can see this. Now you can see this Venkat-PC SQL Server 17.0. That is nothing but SQL Server 2025, and I have a default administrator access. The default my account name is VNKA, and let me expand the databases here. The default it is completely empty, and even the security also you can see the list of options: databases, security, server objects, replication always on high availability, management, and SQL agent. So these are the default only. There is no not big change you will observe when you open SQL Server 2025 and SQL Server 2022. All are same actually, the options. So let me quickly write a query to identify what is the version which is running in my server. In my laptop is select. It's a query which helps you to identify what is the version which is running on your server on your laptop. Select edit version. So you can see now it is Microsoft SQL Server 2025 CTP 2.0 17.0, and it is released on May 8 2025. 19.14.27 copyright 2025 Microsoft Corporation Enterprise Evaluation Edition. It is Evaluation Edition which is running in my laptop. When I say Evaluation Edition, it works for 180 days and it is on Windows 10 actually. Okay. Now, so if you want to see what is the server name, so you connected by default by taking a browse. Again, if you want to see that server name again, edit server name. Okay, this is my server name is Venkat-PC. So like this you can easily check multiple details. Now, so if you want to see how much of the memory allocated to this SQL Server 2025, let's right click on this, click on properties in the memory. So it was allocated this much of memory in the default. Okay, so this is how we can check it. Even you can check how many processors are allocated. You can check this way, like this. Okay, and the security option is common again. So it's a Windows authentication mode by default is enabled here. I have not enabled the SQL Server authentication mode for now. And login auditing, failed logins audit, it automatically audits failed login. If you want to make it none, you can change that setting. As an administrator, you can change all these settings actually. Even the connections, like how many connections you want to limit, so you can configure that options here. Okay, so zero is nothing but unlimited, by default is unlimited. Okay, so that's how you can see. Now if you want to create a database here, Go to new query, create a database sample. Okay, so database is created. So now you can quickly check this here. Now here database is system database anyway will be there, database snapshots and sample database. If you want to create a table here, select this db and you can write it create. So there is no change in the creation of databases or creation of tables in SQL Server 2025. So and even when you compare a new features between 2022 and 2025. So in developer perspective, in the SQL Server development aspect, you may not see much syntax differences or different features. You have a huge difference in implementing AI integration with SQL Server and so on. In the next video, we'll talk about what are all the new features introduced in SQL Server 2025 in the detailed manner with examples. So let me create a table here, employee employee id int comma ename where care of 20 30 whatever it is. So this is how we create the tables here. So you can change the zoom here 100% by default. Let's click on create. The table is created. Now you can see the table. Select start from employee. It's an empty table will be there. You can insert the data, whatever the data you want. So that's how we check and connect SQL Server 2025 for the first time. Even you can see at the bottom here. So the 17.0. So by looking at the 17.0, you can easily identify this is SQL Server 2025. If you're connected to SQL Server 2022, it shows you 16.0. Let me quickly go there. Let me connect that as well. Okay. So I'm not sure either my SQL service is running or not. If not, I need to start. So looks like service is stopped. Let me start the service. By any chance, if you're not able to connect, if the connection is not working, simply go to the service.msc and check it. So it was stopped actually. I don't want to run these services in the background. Okay, again it degrades my laptop performance. If I'm not using, I don't want to run those. So okay, it's connected now. So let's quickly go here, click on new query. You can see it now here, 16.0 rtm. You can even check this, select edit version, execute. So you can see it here, the version is Microsoft SQL Server 2022 16.0 and it released on October 8 2022. And it's a Microsoft Carbon Developer Edition. So Developer Edition is completely free edition for the development purposes to install on any of our personal laptops. Okay, even if you want to see, select edit server name now. Yes, here server name is this. Even there is, I showed you different way how to check how many SQL instances installed on your laptop. So there is a web browse button. You can check in that way as well. So that's all about it. So if you have any questions in the SQL Server 2022, 25 or 19, so please drop your question in the comment section. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. So that's all about it.